Hey everybody, it's Greg here with another quick video actually. You'll see why I try to get people to clean out the sump where their drain pump is in their washing machines every 6 months or so, because I don't know how long it's been actually since they cleaned this one out, but it's crazy how much is in there. So the customer's complaint was it is not draining, not spinning, and basically it's not doing anything. It's full of water and they're not able to start a cycle. It sounds like the door locks and the drain pump kicks in, but it's just not able to get rid of the water. So I'll show you what it's all about. Okay, so here we have a drain pump on a washer, and I'll show you guys what is a very, very common thing. People just don't know that this is here. I'm not sure, but so I've unscrewed it a little bit. It's draining out a little bit. I just got it draining into a bucket. But if I pull this out, you'll see why this machine won't drain. Yeah, there it is. This is a filter. This is supposed to filter all the water from stopping stuff from getting right into the actual pump impeller. So, yep, that's the problem right there.